Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to ACE SAT. In today's video, we're solving yet another real SAT math question from the official College Board Educator question bank. This one is with question ID 00723D16. I'll walk you through a step-by-step, break down the strategy behind the solution, and show you how to approach questions like this one with confidence every day. Okay, so here we're given a line L that is defined by 3y plus 12x equals 5. Line N is perpendicular to line L in the xy plane, and what is the slope of line N? So here we just want to render our equation into a straight line with y isolated. I just want to clarify that 3y plus 12x equals 5 is already a straight line. When I say I want to render it a straight line, or it's more I guess, understandable to say that it's not in a straight line, but I just want to simplify it into an isolated y equation because I want to make it just extremely easy to follow because we have y equals mx plus c. Now we're all familiar with y equals mx plus c since we've all learned that around secondary school. So whenever a line, this is what I mean by rendering, a line uh, straight, but it is already straight. It's just I'll change it from now on. I'll make it like just simplify will be easier, or isolating the y would be easier, just to avoid confusion. So whenever a line is perpendicular to another line, the slope or the gradient, same thing, of that line is the negative reciprocal of the other line, and vice versa. So whenever you have two lines that cross each other perpendicularly, right? The gradient of one of those lines, either line, is the negative reciprocal of the other line. Therefore, I just want to explain to you guys what negative reciprocal is. So the negative reciprocal is a change of sign. First, you change the sign, and then you switch the numerator and the denominator. There you have it. Or you could do it the other way. The same. It does not matter by which you start, but you could switch the numerator and denominator and then change the sign. It does not matter. So here we have a minus 4 over 1, and then I'm just adding the 1 just to make it easier to follow the change in numerator and denominator. So we change the sign first. I change the sign first pretty much always. I just go through it because I just do it mentally since it's very easy. But I do minus 4 over 1 and then I switch it to 4 over 1 because I add a negative sign to that 4 over 1. And then I switch the numerator and denominator, which gives me 1 over 4. Now here we also notice, so that's the answer. So here in this question, I notice that it's 3 stars difficulty. So if this question is one of the more difficult questions in your SAT and it does come up, you should thank God that this question came up because this is very easy. This, in my opinion, this question does not deserve 3 stars, but I think they're being generous with this question. So whenever this comes up, you know that you've lucked out on your SAT. But it still requires a bit of skill and knowledge. So make sure that you do revise. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you need me to cover any sort of topic. We're not limited to math. We've only just started with math because we're trying to go through every subtopic step by step. So we'll go through 20 questions, 20 questions, 20 questions for every subtopic, and then just make our way through the question bank and try to finish it by the end of August, somewhere around that time. Yeah, that's all I've got to say. I hope you guys have a nice day preparing for your SATs, I'm guessing. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully I'll see you guys.